Welcome back to Dinar Community, your trusted destination for real-time currency news and reliable financial insights. Today, we're covering what might be the most groundbreaking development in the currency markets in decades. The Iraqi Dinar (IQD) has made an astonishing leap, now trading at an eye-popping $6 United States cents per dinar on global exchange platforms. That's right, one dinar is now worth over $6. This isn't a glitch, a rumor, or some internet hoax, it's a verified surge that's creating massive waves throughout the financial world. For anyone who's been holding dinar and waiting for this moment, your patience might finally be rewarded in a very big way. We're potentially witnessing the most significant revaluation in modern currency history, and it's essential to understand what's driving it and how it could impact your financial future. In today's in-depth report, we'll unpack what triggered this dramatic rise, examine global responses, and offer clear, actionable guidance for dinar holders navigating this unprecedented situation. What just happened? In the past few weeks, traders had started paying closer attention to the dinar amid whispers of progress on Iraq's economic front. But what happened today caught everyone, from casual holders to veteran Forex experts, completely off guard. The IQD skyrocketed to $6.02, a valuation that represents more than a revaluation. It's a total realignment of how Iraq's currency is perceived globally. After years of speculation and hope, the dinar has made its move, and it's not a small step, it's a giant leap. This sudden shift marks a redefinition of Iraq's economic identity. For longtime investors, it's a moment of vindication. For Iraq, it's a reintroduction to the world as a legitimate economic force. This is far more than a headline, it's a pivotal moment that demands attention and careful strategy. What's fueling the surge? This leap is the result of deep, structural change inside Iraq. Over the last year, the Iraqi government has enacted significant reforms aimed at economic stabilization and modernization. Major efforts include cracking down on corruption, overhauling ministries for better efficiency, implementing financial transparency, expanding oil output and boosting national revenue, signing new trade deals and modernizing infrastructure. These reforms have reignited investor confidence, triggering a wave of foreign interest and inflows. The demand for IQD has surged, outpacing available supply, a classic formula for a dramatic price spike. Simply put, the market isn't reacting to speculation anymore. It's responding to real, measurable progress. What does $6.02 mean for dinar holders? The implications are massive. A single 2,500 Iraqi dinars note, once worth just a few dollars, could now theoretically be valued at over $15 million USD. This is the kind of once-in-a-lifetime financial moment that can change futures, but it must be approached with care. Keep in mind, foreign exchange rates can fluctuate quickly. Banks and financial institutions may take time to adjust systems. Redemption procedures could be delayed. Scammers are already trying to exploit the chaos. If you're holding dinar, now is the time to be strategic, not impulsive. The opportunity is real, but so are the risks. Why now? Several key forces have aligned. Iraq's foreign reserves, especially in gold and diversified currencies, are stronger than ever. Oil prices have been steadily climbing, bolstering Iraq's fiscal stability. Global companies are investing in Iraq's infrastructure and industrial sectors. This combination of fiscal discipline, market confidence, and political progress has created a perfect storm, one that has supercharged demand for the dinar and led to this historic valuation. Iraq's economic comeback. Iraq is transitioning from a war-torn economy to a regional contender with real global influence. The perception of Iraq as a high-risk environment is shifting rapidly. With vast natural resources, a growing population, and improving governance, Iraq is increasingly seen as a promising emerging market. International banks are revising forecasts. Trade deals are on the rise. And financial experts are referring to Iraq as a potential, economic miracle in the making. Is this the new reality, or just a spike? While it's too soon to make guarantees, the fundamentals behind this surge suggest it's not just a flash in the pan. This revaluation isn't fueled by rumors, it's rooted in hard data, policy reform, and market dynamics. Of course, corrections are possible. Volatility is part of currency trading. But analysts agree, unless Iraq veers off its current reform path, the dinar is likely to maintain, or even build upon, its new strength. What should you do now? If you hold dinar, stay calm. No rash decisions. Verify everything. Check rates with licensed institutions. Avoid unofficial deals. Scams will spike. Be patient. Banks may take time to update systems. If you're contacted for a redemption appointment, double-check authenticity. Bring all records, receipts, serial numbers, proof of purchase. Don't proceed without official documentation. And if you're thinking about entering the market now, do so with extreme caution. Buying at the peak carries major risks. Talk to a qualified financial advisor and never invest money you can't afford to lose. Taxes. The silent factor. A huge gain can also mean a huge tax bill. If you exchange now or soon, you might owe capital gains taxes or other levies depending on your local and national tax regulations. Be proactive. Log your purchases, dates, rates, dealer information. Track your sales, amounts, rates, gains. Consult a tax expert who understands currency investments. The goal isn't just to profit, it's to keep as much of that profit as possible, legally and efficiently. This moment has been years in the making. To newcomers, this may look like a sudden event. But for veterans of the Dinar community, this is the result of over a decade of watching, waiting, and believing in Iraq's potential. Iraq's reforms, rebuilding institutions, improving infrastructure, tackling corruption, and increasing transparency, have set the stage for what we're seeing now. This isn't a reaction, it's recognition. And it's likely just the beginning. A global ripple effect. Markets worldwide are taking notice. Major financial outlets are running coverage. Analysts are speculating about ripple effects across the Middle East and beyond. Some believe this move could inspire other undervalued currencies to follow suit. Others are predicting shifts in oil trade, regional partnerships, and monetary policies as a result of Iraq's new status. This is no longer just about one country's currency, it may redefine the balance of economic power in the region. The real winners, the Iraqi people. At the heart of this transformation are the citizens of Iraq. For years, they've lived through hardship, inflation, and instability. A stronger dinar means better access to affordable imports, lower inflation, increased purchasing power, more jobs and foreign investment. This isn't just a financial story, it's a human one. A rising currency can lift lives, not just balances. It can rebuild pride and unlock opportunity in ways that go far beyond numbers on a screen. Final thoughts. What's your perspective on the IQD's historic rise to $6.02? Are you excited, cautious, waiting for more information? Let us know in the comments. Your voice matters in this moment. If you found today's update helpful, give it a like, share it with fellow holders, and don't forget to subscribe to Iraqi Dinar Info. We're committed to delivering factual updates, expert analysis, and clear next steps as this situation unfolds. This isn't the end, it may be just the beginning of a remarkable financial transformation. Stay informed, stay smart, and most importantly, stay hopeful. Like and subscribe for more videos.